There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's sail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar.
Good morning.
Well, good morning. You just were privy to a wonderful time we had out on the Saley Sea, also known as the Strait of Juan de Fuca. The whole clan went whale watching. And
we saw some.
Yeah, we saw, gosh, eight or nine whales.
Yeah.
They were
8 all in one group, so that was really, they were like all around the boat.
Probably it was a really rich feeding area, since that's what they do a lot.
Yeah, and they were humpbacks.
Yeah.
Didn't see any orcas.
Yeah, no orcas. Saw some sea lions. It was blast. The boat leaves from Port Angeles here, and it's
it was delightful. It was 85 here on land, so it was nice out there.
So we took way too much garbage, stuff.
We're not going to talk.
We're not going to talk. Don't do that. If you go on the whale watching, don't take anything. Buy their own food. Anyway, little insider hint. Okay, you want to tell them what we do?
Oh, jeez.
That's what we learned.
I'm constantly pestering Brad.
She's trying to shape me up.
It's not happening. Anyway, all the women know that. So we tell you the homes that sold this past week and what they sold for, the size, and it gives you an idea of the market in both Port Angeles, Sequim, and the other surrounding areas. So we start with Port Angeles, and this one is on West 7th Street. Originally listed for $282,900, and it sold for $230,000. That was a good drop. We have no idea the condition, but that was a good price, and it's kind of cute. It was 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 16 days on the market, so somebody wanted it pretty quickly. Built in 1926 with 1,302 square feet on 0.11, so a smaller lot to take care of.
Okay, next one is on Gales. Gales is in what is known as the Gales Edition.
I don't know Miss Gales or Mr. Gales.
Yeah, we don't know the Gales. But anyway, it's east of town and currently unincorporated. It's a nice up-and-coming area, kind of a mixture of some pretty nice homes on the bluff and then some others that are a little more rugged. This looks like a nice place. And originally priced at $379,900, sold for $373,000. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 1 half bath, 70 days on the market, and built in 1979. And for, this is the surprise, 2,062 square feet. You think
1 bedroom.
1 bedroom must be a big one.
They must have an office or something.
Yeah, office. And a third of an acre, a little more than a third of an acre territorial view.
Okay. The third house in Port Angeles is on Leisure Lane. Listed for $429,000, it sold for $425,000. That's not bad. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 13 days on the market. Built in 1997 with 1,456 square feet and on 1.14 acres and a mountain view.
Okay, Matson Road, number 4. Originally priced for $459,000, sold for $450,000, and has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 15 days on the market. Built in 1920, with 1,116 square feet, 3.23 acres, with mountain view.
And Matson Road, the one Brent just talked about, is actually going towards Carlsberg, Agnew area.
Oh yeah, we know that road.
Yeah. Matson. That's the one you just read, right?
Yeah, right.
So, I don't know why they call it Port Angeles, but anyway.
Okay.
So this next house is on West 5th Street, which is a view street. It's nice. I actually went to an estate sale there. Listed for $629,000. It ended up selling for $555,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. 1 bath in that monster house.
1 bath. Wow.
63 days on the market. Built in 1915. Boy, they remodeled it a lot.
Yeah.
1,260 square feet on a third of an acre. Had lots of stairs, so.
Mount Pleasant.
You went with me on this one.
Did I?
Mm-hmm. Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant.
Love Mount Pleasant.
Yeah, we love Mount Pleasant. There's actually a mountain called Pleasant, so you might have guessed that. So this is the road that heads up there 5 or 6 miles, and this is $839,000 sold at asking. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1 half bath, 3 days on the market, built in 1978. This is a big one, 3,440 square feet. And usually when we read the square footage, that does not include, and it's not supposed to include, the garage.
Or a
A
basement.
double garage or a basement. So this one is just for a little over 4.5 acres, territorial view. Nice place.
And next, we're now in Sequim. 6 Port Angeles homes today and 6 Sequim homes. This next one is on Heritage Loop. Listed for $299,000. It's sold for $290,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 55 days on the market. Built in 2019 with 1,205 square feet. Leased land and a neighborhood view.
All right.
Yours is leased land too.
Yeah, next one is on Heritage Loop.
They're both on Heritage Loop.
That's right.
We're quick.
I'm on it. So 310,000 sold for 325, 15 over. Happy sellers there. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3 days.
The newer one got less money than the older one.
Interesting.
Oh, twice the size.
Twice the size, yeah. Okay, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3 days on the market, built in 2007, 2,134 square feet with leased land and mountain view.
Moving right along on Webb's Road. Listed for $555,000. It sold for $550,000. It sold for $455,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 61 days on the market. Built in 1976 with 1,578 square feet on 1.1 3/4 acres and a neighborhood view.
Okay. The next one is on Stone Road. Originally priced at $699,000, sold for $615,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, no half baths. 10 days on the market, built in 1978 with 2,341 square feet, 1 full acre, and a territorial view. Looks like a nice place. Kind of looks like it's got a big stone fireplace, doesn't it?
It does look like
Yeah,
that.
we've not seen this one.
On
So
Stone Road would.
be appropriate.
Yeah. Okay, 2 more houses.
You wonder what they do in their leisure time. Go ahead.
Kerner Ridge Lane, listed for $738,500. It ended up closing at $688,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 77 days on the market. Built in 1986 with 1988 square feet on 1 1/5 acres and a territorial view.
Okay,
Take it
last one.
home.
Taking it home. This one is on Happy Valley, and we like Happy Valley. It sits kind of at the bottom of Bell Hill, and if you know the area. And this is originally priced for $825,000, sold finally for $738,000. That's $87,000 under original. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath, 26 days on the market. Built in 1996 with 1,750 square feet and just a little under 5 acres and a territorial view.
So that wraps up the homes for today.
Yeah, so I don't know if you've noticed it, but when you look at the build years for the Port Angeles homes, you're looking at 1926, 1979, 1940, 1997, 1920. Anyway, average build year is probably 50 years older than Sequim. And
Okay.
okay.
And the feature house today that you're looking at is on Kestrel Place. Don't mind,
Yeah.
they're doing a little construction over there. A manufactured home. It's perfect. It's 2 years old. It's delightful. Listed for $495, and all is good.
Is that your listing?
Yeah.
And just went under contract. So anyway, we thought we'd show it to you.
Yeah. Just to
Yeah,
get
beautiful little
perspective.
place.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about this condo?
No, we can do that later.
Never mind.
Okay, so if you are a regular subscriber, then you know that periodically when we reach a milestone, we have a little giveaway. We've been giving away Logan leather, and these are pouches handmade by Logan, our producer, and they're pretty cool. And we periodically will have people who get it have a picture of them in their leather pouch. So we're going to be up to 700 here pretty soon. So if you haven't hit subscribe and like, please do that. And
What else are we offering?
oh, so Amy is a featured water. Did somebody feature you?
No.
Okay,
Second place county fair.
second place county fair watercolor artist. But she's really good. She actually got her first place in a different county that had better judges. Yeah. But she's pretty cool, and we'll give you a choice of a pouch, Logan leather, and don't worry, you're not going to.
They're little
Yeah,
watercolors.
you're not going to hurt anybody's feelings, but we thought we'd give you a choice.
Yep.
Next time.
Okay.
And any summaries on where the market is, where the market's going?
I don't know. Has the rates dropped? I don't think they've dropped yet.
No.
They'll wait just before the election.
Yeah, we expect the rates to drop, and it seems like they often do right before an election.
Yeah.
But where the market is going, we don't know. So our encouragement is to those of you who are kind of waiting for timing. That's a tough one. I would just make a good decision based on the realities of your situation right now. In other words, we've had several listings that have just come up because the folks have had to sell. You know, there's no option. So even though if you do sell your place, you'll probably still get a good price. There's still a fair number of buyers in the market.
One thing of note is the house that we just showed you that we listed, and it's now under contract. We had 2 offers because they priced it right, and then they ended up getting more than asking. So
Yeah.
that's
That's the trick, is to
Yeah.
find, if you're going to sell your place, you're going to find that sweet spot that's down, because the buyers are they're smarter than a lot of sellers. If sellers are still dreaming about, their place must be $1.5 million, and no, it's really about 800. So buyers know the market. They're in it every day. The first day your house goes on the market, it will have a splash that you cannot repeat that splash. For instance, and we follow the number of views, especially on Zillow. So the first day, a lot of times, is 600, 700, 800 in our market, and the second day will be like
44.
44.
It's just, it drops.
Drops
because
right down.
Everybody sees it all at once.
Yeah. So if people that are in the market that are actively shopping, they are in the internet. Print. Please don't make
You're
your
not
realtor.
in the internet.
What?
You said in the internet.
On the internet.
That's right.
Okay, they're on the internet. I guess if they're in the internet, they'd be electronic. So please don't make your realtor go to print, because nobody reads print anymore.
Yeah.
That's the
bother with
newspapers.
newspaper.
I mean, we have placed several. We've spent probably a couple of $1,000s just to please our sellers, because they were old school. It's got to be in the newspaper. So it doesn't help. Doesn't make any difference.
No.
So save
all
everybody's money.
So enjoy. We're going to have an office picnic here today, and we're going to have a delightful day and eat.
Thanks for
ribs.
watching. Have a great week, and we'll check in next week.
Ta.